What if Saturn replaced the moon?
No big deal. Even Aumsum can replace the moon.
Oh, Aumsum. Firstly, if Saturn replaced the moon, Saturn is much bigger than Earth. Earth may have to start rotating around Saturn now. Secondly, Saturn looks spectacular with its rings. If Saturn replaced the moon, selfie lovers may shift to Saturn. Thirdly, if Saturn replaced the moon, Saturn may take the height of waves on Earth to a different level altogether. Fourthly, if Saturn replaced the moon, Saturn has 82 moons. Earth may not be left with any space to move. Fifthly, if Saturn replaced the moon, Saturn and its moons may block the entire sky. Astronomers would be one sad lot. Lastly, if Saturn replaced the moon, astronauts who were just about to land on Saturn may have to make a long journey back.
To buy Aumsum merchandise, visit Aumsum.com.
What if we could fly?
Why, what if? I can already fly.
Oh, Aumsum. Firstly, if we could fly, birds who were till now dominating the sky would suddenly start getting some intense competition. Secondly, if we could fly, Superman would suddenly start getting intense competition from everywhere. Thirdly, if we could fly, there might not be any need of a spacecraft. Astronauts might try to fly directly to the moon. Fourthly, if we could fly, stairs as well as lifts would not be required anymore. People might start entering their homes via windows. Fifthly, if we could fly, there would suddenly be no need of airplanes and helicopters. Lastly, if we could fly, roads and cars would be of no use. Long traffic lines would be a thing of the past. What if we lived on the sun?
Sure, I have already bought a flat there.
Oh, Aumsum. Firstly, if we lived on the sun, there is no night on the sun. Sleeping with so much light will be very difficult. Secondly, if we lived on the sun is extremely hot. It will be impossible to get out of the heat protection suits. Thirdly, if we lived on the sun, nuclear energy is abundantly available on the sun. No more electricity bills. Fourthly, if we lived on the sun is huge as compared to planet Earth. There will be plenty of space available for everyone. Fifthly, if we lived on the sun, there is no water on the sun. We may have to make frequent water collection trips to planet Earth. Lastly, if we lived on the sun, people who love playing in the snow will be extremely sad.